Old-fashioned beauty recipes that have been passed down through the generations, added to and improved upon, are often the most valuable of all beauty secrets. It will take some time to figure out which ones are best for your skin type. The first secret is to use the proper pH of all skincare products. The recommended pH level is 5.5, which has been dermatologist tested. The next beauty secret is that skincare products are completely free of animal products and byproducts. Only plants and herbs combined with science and technology provide superior benefits. Individuality is expressed through natural beauty. It is also radiant health and vitality, awareness and action, science and technology, and, of course, well-groomed appearance, perfectly nourished skin, and a toned and balanced body. We are no longer looking for quick cover-up effects, but rather long-term anti-aging natural beauty secrets that will make us look and feel younger. There's a lot more to being beautiful than your physical appearance. True, natural beauty is about making the most of what you have by taking care of yourself and showing off your best features. Some of the most satisfying beauty secrets are those that can be made at home using common ingredients. Of course, the traditional smoky eye makeup colors are black or gray. However, you are not limited to these colors. You can also use less intense colors like violet, chocolate, coffee, dark pink, copper, dark green, dark blue, or purple. Remember that when selecting eyeshadow shades, colors should be chosen with your eye color, hair color, and skin tone in mind, not the color of the clothes you're wearing. You'll need 2 color-coordinated eyeshadows for smoky eye makeup. Since antiquity, the aloe vera plant has been used as a healing remedy for a variety of diseases and conditions, as well as an aid in the promotion of better health. Without a doubt, the most common application of aloe vera is in the promotion of skin health and healing. Anti-aging begins on the inside. We all age at different rates depending on how well we take care of ourselves. You can control your aging process by using anti-aging skincare products and adhering to a few simple guidelines. Pursuing natural beauty secrets for anti-aging is not vanity, it is a necessary way to build confidence, without which little can be accomplished. Beauty advice that is not strictly guided by products that are 100% free of mineral oil is not to be used. Mineral oil is an occlusive substance that disrupts skin functions and other scientifically advanced delivery systems. Consider how smearing mineral oil on skin that is already slightly oily could only result in an oilier complexion. If you are truly committed to having beautiful skin, one of the best kept beauty secrets is to avoid using products that contain dyes or chemical fragrances. In summary, the best kept health and beauty secrets involve being committed to reversing the aging process, eating a balanced diet, drinking plenty of water, and using the helpful home remedy tips we suggested above. Thank you for watching and may this information useful for you.